Dad, can I have blueberries? Dad, can you give me blueberries?
Okay, close it.
Can I have blueberries? I want to. Oh, what are you doing? What's me now? I'm taking off the stickers of your back. What are you doing? What are you doing to me? What are you doing? I'm taking the stickers off your back. Dad, can I take the stickers off?
No.
Please, no. Ah! No. Why don't we take off number 2?
No.
Number 3, number 5, number 9, 11, 11, and then not 4, not 1, not 1, and then 2, then 3, and then 4, and then 5, and then 6, and then 7, and then 8, and then 9, and then 10, 11, 12, and then 10, and 10, 11, 12. I love you. Wait, let me see the Reggie. Bro, he's the red guy.
Okay, let's go sleep now.
But yeah.
I'm going to sleep now after this, okay?
Okay. Can I play it upstairs?
No.
Huh?
No.
Why?
Because you're cool.
Dad, Dad, can you give me blueberry with bread and marmalade and peanut? Please, Dad.
No.
Can you give me blueberry with bread?
Why, you still hungry?
Yeah.
But you're not gonna eat it, I'm sure, 100%.
Huh?
Are you going to eat it?
Yeah. The wheels are rolling fast. The engine rolling. The engine rolling. Shuck. And then the wheels are doot. The wheels are rolling very fast. The wheels are rolling very fast. They drive. That's why you break my bug. And who break my bug? Then who break my bug? Who break my bug?
I don't know.
Did you break my bug? Dad!
Okay.
Dad! Are you listening and talking to me? Dad, see? That's what you get and you get that. That's why you break the phone. See, Dad? Where's my guys? Where are they?